This is an actual literal double crop. I know a lot of guys are talking about double crop, but we're doing it here in southern Iowa. Okay, here is a field of rye that we planted last fall. It was soybeans, and we're using this as a cover crop. Planted with a planter, 15-inch rows, and we're actually going to come back here in a few weeks, and we're going to bale this for cow feed. So this is going to become cattle feed, and then we'll plant corn right behind it. So it's a double crop, but it's really good. It adds biomass. It protects from erosion, wind erosion, and water erosion. And the roots go deep. It breaks up your soil. It stores nutrients. It scavenges any nitrogen that's in the soil and breaks it down and makes it bioavailable for your next crop. I mean, as you can see, it's fast growing. It's, May 1st here. You can see it's ankle high, and it's kind of in the boot stage right now. We'll get this thing into the dough stage and we'll take it for feed. But you can use on a smaller scale in your garden, or if you have a place in your yard where nothing grows, this stuff's gonna grow. You can literally throw it on the ground. If you give it enough water, it's gonna grow, I guarantee it. And we have several other types of cover crops too. This is just straight rye, but we do sell blends, up to 8 to 10 way blends of cover crops. So depending on what you're using it for, if you want it for wildlife, it's good for that too. And this is a 5-year rye soybean rotation. We get a full crop of feed, and then we're gonna come back in it with actual soybeans. Hopefully get 60 bushel soybeans out of this deal. And then next year we'll do it again. We'll come in, we'll harvest the soybeans. We'll plant this with a planter. We use the same planter we use to plant the soybeans. We do have to put some backing plates in the seed cups, so that way the small seed doesn't fall out. And we do fertilize the heck out of it. We did put some lime on it this year, but I have not seen any dings to my soybean yields. The grass acts as almost like corn, giving you your true rotation. If you're gonna take this for feed, you wanna get it into the dough stage. That's right before it heads. If you let this head out, if we have some big rains right in the dough stage and this heads out, we lose a ton of the feed value. All the sugars and the starches break down. They're pushing all the energy into making that seed. Here in 2 weeks, if we get some heat, this will get about this tall, and we'll come in here with some heavy equipment and we'll knock it down, we'll wet bale it, and then we're gonna wrap it, and it'll ferment and become excellent cow chow. If you're looking to optimize your profit on your farm, you can do this, you can wet bale it, you can sell it to local dairies or local cattle producers, or buy some cattle yourself, feed some cattle out, make some beef. But it's a great solution, and it's a true double crop. Works great. So definitely check out CZ Grain on Google or Amazon and watch our YouTube videos. We sure appreciate your business. Have a great day.